Hello everyone, hope you all are resonating with the cards. Do like the channel, share the channel, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I'm coming for the readings or whenever I bring in new videos. So let's see what is in store for you all today. No, I will go with the middle card, not the first card. Visualize abundance in all forms, and that's a beautiful card. So we should have a vision. We should, now if you see here, I would suggest look at this star here, okay, and meditate on this. Start your day with the star symbol and imagine the star entering from your third eye and going to your all your chakras, energizing you and making you positive, making you happy, because I feel today is a very powerful day and a positive day. If it is possible, then today what you can do is in the morning take a gold coin or whatever gold you're wearing and tap it in your teeth 3 times, saying I attract abundance, I attract abundance, I attract abundance. And today what you can do is you can just go and stand in front of the wardrobe, whichever color comes in your eye first, even if it is black, it's okay, just take it and wear it. Go by your inner feel today when it comes to selecting your dress today. And today in the morning when you're having your bath, add a little bit of camphor in your bathing water, and just maybe in 1 mug of water add the camphor and have first pour that water on your body, and after that you can have your usual bath. And once you come out, again in the ghee you will add a pinch of camphor and then you will burn that, and you will start your day so that your day is protected, your day is blessed, and your day has all the beautiful and positive energies and an abundant energy, the way it is saying. Now let's see what the next card says. Okay, that's a chariot card, so maybe you're going to travel, you're going to enjoy your traveling, you're going to go somewhere, or if you have been trying to go abroad, your visa will get approved today, or you will get a job opportunity which you've been waiting for a long time from abroad. That good news may come today, but somewhere travel is there, whether it is related to going out somewhere, or whether it is related to work related travel, or whether it is related to opportunities which you're looking at and it is going to come. But overall, a day of abundance, a day of blessings, and day where you'll be really happy that yes, my day is done. Now let's see what the affirmation is coming for you today. Okay, now that's, so today you will say 11 times, I shall seek the guidance of others but follow my heart. My decisions and judgments will be accurate. Okay, that is what you will say 11 times, and you will start your day. Because, and it somewhere this tiger's eye clicked in my eyes today. Usually I don't read the thing, but I would say because the tiger's eye is coming in my mind again and again, if you have a tiger's eye, then carry it with you. If you are already wearing a tiger's eye, very well and good, wear the tiger's eye today and have a blessed and a beautiful day ahead. Thank you.